Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about kit product. First of all, what does kit product means? If there is a combination of two or more products in a single kit, then we term it as a kit product. We will see in this video how to create kit products and for what kind of products you can create kit products. So first of all, let's see how the kit product looks like at front store. So here you can see there are combination of three products name as desk panel and clock, card holder and sports bag. So all these three products coming in a single kit. So there are options available like how many quantities you want for desk and clock. So let's say if you wanted 10 quantities, you can select 10 quantities. If you want 5 quantities, you can select 5 quantities for card holders. And if you want 5 quantities for sports bag, you can select 5 quantities for sports bag. So this combination is creating here, if you term it as a kit, so this will be considered as one kit of 10 products of clock, 5 of card holders and 5 of sports bag. While creating this kit product in admin side, we have the option if we want to lock the quantities, we can lock the quantities. Also, would you like to purchase all three things in a kit, or if you want to remove any one thing, then you can just uncheck it over here. So in that kit there are only two products included for now because we have unchecked the include in kit button. So that's how it will work. Now let us see how we can configure this kit product in admin side. Go to admin, go to products. Now here one more thing, go to predefined products. Predefined products are those products which are ready to sell. We can create kit product only for predefined products. For normal or customized products, you cannot create kit products. So here when you go, once you click on add button, so here you can see we have named as a product name as a new kit product, the URL. You can select the category over here. Then here is the game. If you want to create a normal predefined product, then you have to select it no. If you want to create a product which can be only buyable only with kit product, then you just select buy with kit. And if you are creating a kit product where you will add the previously created predefined product, then you have to select yes. Then the sorting order, then all the things are as normal products which we are doing. Just click on save and continue. So here you can select from created predefined products which you want to put in a kit. So here we have already selected card holders, desk bell and clock and sports bag. Then there is which things you want to show, a layout, show fields, description, images, price calculator or download print ready. Then allow partial kit. Allow partial kit means, let's say you have selected three things. If customer don't want to add any one thing which I have already shown you, let's say if they are not selecting this include in kit, so that means that you are allowing the partial kit. Then lock quantities. If you want to lock the quantities, let's say customer cannot in one kit, you want to just fix the 10 quantities, you can just lock it. Then if there is any additional cost you want to take for the kit product and the lock kit quantity, so let's say where you are talking about like right now 1, 2 and 3, customer can put anything. Instead of that, if you want to put a drop down, so you can just put the lock quantities separated by comma 1, 2, 5, 10, something like that. So that's called lock kit quantity. So in that way you can easily create kit products. Then there are some kit product rules. If you want to put sports bag, let's say if you want to set default quantities 2, 1 or 10, or if you want to take any additional cost, then also you can set it over here. So in this video we have seen that how kit product looks at front store, how you can create the kit product. The kit product can be only a combination of predefined products. It cannot be created for the customized product or normal products. If you have any queries or concern, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.